one owner car guy, and maybe you watch my channel Serial Marshmallows, where I have all kinds of unique classic 1 and 2 owner Euro muscle classic cars and such. I got restoring car videos and all kinds of stuff. I sell Serial Marshmallows, www.serialmarshmallows.com. This is my Stock Gambles channel. And on my Stock Gambles channel, like you'll see here, I do have stuff about stock gambles. And I'm not looking to go to that one. I'm looking to be right on my main page here. Sorry, I'm clicking around so much. And that's that. I just made a video of creating our first portfolio within Google. And we actually bought some BlackBerry RIM stock, some Yelp, and some Facebook. The one thing I didn't buy that I was going to buy today is Groupon. And I was going to buy some Groupon, and then I started looking at some other things that I'd been watching for a while. And hang on a second, how do I get this thing? I got to make sure I'm in the right screen here to where I'm not showing a bunch of stuff I can't show, and I wasn't properly set up. So that's my thing there. I'm sorry while I'm talking in the background. Man, I bought the 3 main ones I wanted to buy. Jamba Juice. Auto by Tel. Let's look at that. I've been watching this one for a while. Not saying this is a good stock. Not been enough into it to know. They actually split 1 for 5. That's like the wrong way, huh? And they've been right at this here level for quite a while, but they've fallen from grace quite a ways. And I've been looking at this stock for a long time. So what I'm going to do is go in here. Jeez, I don't know if I want to do that. I'm going to cancel this order. I'm going to come back to it. This one here, I'm thinking 300 shares. Market, buy, good for day, all or none's not needed. Are you kidding me? Under $5. Okay, there's no commission. I was thinking they was going to commission the heck out of me. That didn't make me happy. Now I have a problem of buying and holding. And I hold for a while. I also have a problem here where these stocks are not exactly the most gambling ones that I've just bought. They're pretty good stocks, in my opinion. Now, I don't know nothing about stocks, okay? I've made a good amount of money, I've lost a good amount of money, and I don't want to recommend anything to you that you don't need. And you have to think about this in a big way, where I've got 150 to 200 stocks. So with the stocks I have, this is just supporting that. And the same way that like Apple has to sell way too many iPods to ever count to their bottom line too much nowadays because they're just so big, I got to take a pretty big loss. 11.55 or something, 300 shares of a little or smaller stock ain't as much of a loss to my whole stock portfolio. So you need to make sure and have some good things out there, and if you do buy some gambles as such, hey, whatever. But I tell you, we've bought 4 stocks, and I just put this one in the wrong account, of course. Bought 4 stocks, and I think in our stock portfolio looks pretty good here. We're going to do this one more time, add to portfolio. And we're going to add transaction data, add the date, add the shares. We got 2 portfolios going on here. Deduct from cash. Get it in the right one this time. And there you go. 4 stocks in there. I think it's a pretty good Yelp, Facebook, Research in Motion, Auto by Tel. Cost $6,200. And market value 13 because we got $7 grand. So basically we've almost spent half of our money. We're pretty even for the day. There's not really that big of gambles in here. If I would have bought this simply a week ago, it'd be up 50%. So I'm going to leave this stuff in here to capitulate a bit. We've made some buys. We're in Google. If you're in Google and you go to google.com and you're looking for where's my portfolio? Up here on more, down here on finance, over here on portfolios. From there you'll be able to find, this one goes directly to this one. So I'm going to probably delete this whole portfolio to where you can see every time we sign in, it'll go right to the correct stock gambles one. And I clicked a stock screener, but our stock gambles one is right there. And this went up $194 for the day, but that's not our money because we didn't own them all day. So, wow, teenagers in India spend 86% of their time on Facebook. Wow, followed by 54% on Twitter. Okay, well, thanks for watching. That's one of our reviews here. We'll see what happens, and you'll get to watch the gambles and learn if you don't know and laugh at me if you do. Thanks for watching. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. I also have been wanting to buy Research in Motion. And this is not as big of a gamble as some of the things out there. I really like this company. If you look at the last month, oh, buddy, have I missed out. And I said it in the other one. Other one I'm saying because my camera went dead. But if you look a year back, they were a lot. If you look in 08, they were 140. Do I think they're going back to 140? I don't know. I don't know about all that. But I do know that I've wanted to buy this for a while, and we're going to enter an order today for a buy for 150 shares of Research in Motion. The order type is just going to be market. We're going to do a market order on this one. And 150 sounds good here because it's went up. I'm a little shy of it. Not real shy, but a little shy. 50% it's went up. That's a $1,746 purchase. And we are submitting the order. Maybe place the next day. Well, that's not cool. I heard a click though, and another click. It executed it. It did. Okay, we got REM. So I'm going to leave this here. I'm going to go back to the portfolio. And I'm going to enter Research in Motion into the correct portfolio here. And this just take you through it and give you a little how-to again. Uh-oh, maybe we just bought something we didn't buy. Man, I don't even know what I paid for that. So, we're going to have to do a little research. View orders. Sounds good to me. Open orders, research, REM, executed. Status 1167.5. So enter all your amounts. I'm not paying any commission. Deduct from cash. That should do it. Oh, it got us back. Really? What did I do? I did something wrong. What did I do? This says I've made $213 and I've made 75 cents. That's not possible. I'll have to look. Yelps went up. Maybe that's what did it. No, it didn't do it enough to... Ha! Something's went up here, dang it. 75 cents. Now this should all be right where I bought it. My portfolio's up. Oh, there we go, by 225. Now I'm with it. Days gain. Like, man, I can't be up that much. So now it's brought us back up. That's what surprised me in the first place there, is it's brought us back up. Now we're watching these stocks. In contrast here, this is my account that I've been watching in the other place. My other account. I mean, we're watching stuff for a long time, and I've got a lot of stocks here that I'm watching. In fact, there was a few that I put in here that I was going to show and such, but there's just no way. Okay, well, that's 3 stocks. That's our portfolio one. Thank you for watching. And I don't know what else to say here. Thanks for watching. Portfolio, oneownercarguy.com. You can check out my site. I've got lots of unique stuff on there. And if you want a really good investment, cars are the way to go. I'm telling you. You can drive them. Can't drive these stocks I just bought, but they are some nice stocks, I think.